Okay, so next topic natin is the wind power plant. So we're extracting the power sa hangin. Okay, so napakabilis ng concept dito. Sa wind power natin, kinetic power yung kinukuha natin. Okay, so alam natin ang kinetic power is 1/2 mv squared. Magiging power pag mass flow rate. Sabi natin sa thermodynamics, mass flow rate is density times the cross-sectional area or the normal area times the velocity. So pag i-combine ko yung dalawa, your kinetic power or wind power kung tawagin is 1/2 density area velocity cube. Ita-times mo ng efficiency kasi tayo ay work producer. Okay? Paliit ng paliit kumbaga ang ating output power. Okay? So tatandaan natin at STP or standard temperature pressure of air, that is 1 atmosphere 21 degrees Celsius. Ang ating density is 1.2 pag SI, pag English naman ay 0.075. But if not STP, since air is an ideal gas, assumed to be ideal, gagamit tayo ng PV equals to MRT, density is P over RT. Yan yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So magaan-gaan lang to. So let's try this example. Our country is embarking into use a renewable energy source like wind power to save energy. Determine the maximum power in kilowatts delivered from 55 kilowatts wind. So meron tayong given na 55 kilowatts para sa velocity. The rotor blade diameter is 32 meters. The overall conversion efficiency is 35%. The air pressure is 100 and the temperature is 32. Again, kukunin natin ang power to be delivered. Okay, power to be delivered. So, again, tandaan natin, this is the formula. So, kung papansinin natin, sir, direct sub na ba? Hindi pa, kasi hindi tayo naka-STP. So, again, pag hindi STP, ito yung formula natin. So, kunin lang natin muna ang ating density. So, this is your density. SI units tayo. Direct sub naman yan. So, ilalagay ko na lang. Okay, so this is our calculator. Lagay natin. Your density is pressure 100 kilopascal. Of course, R ng air at SI is 0.287 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. And then your absolute temperature is 32 plus 273. So, makukuha natin na 1.142 ang ating density. Then, after that, pwede na natin kunin ang ating kinetic power. That is 1/2. Density as solved. 1.142. Of course, the cross-sectional area, since bilog yan, may diameter, is pi over 4d squared. Then, the velocity is 55 over 3.6. Sa mathematics, tinuro na yan. Conversion factor, kilo or kph divided by 3.6 magiging meters per second cube natin. And lastly, the efficiency. So, input na lang natin yan sa calcu. Lipat lang natin to. Okay, so dito na lang. Yeah. So, ilipat natin. So, ngayon, that is 1/2 or 0.5 para mas mabilis pindutin times 1.142 times area is pi over 4 diameter squared, that is 32 squared. Then, you have your velocity. It should be in meters per second. Kaya meron tayo sa denominator na 3.6. Tatandaan na cube yan. And lastly, don't forget the efficiency. Mababa lang po normally ang efficiency ng wind turbine. Okay? So, meron tayong 573,000. So, ang tanong na lang, what is the units? 573,000. So, unit analysis tayo. Magka-cancel out yung cubic meters. May matitira tayo dito. Kilogram, kukunin ko yung isang meter. I-divide ko ng second square. Doon po ay Newton. Tapos may isa pang meter. Newton meter is joules. I-divide mo ng second. That is watts. Okay? So, yan po yung makukuha natin. Watts. So, i-divide mo na lang ng 1,000. Meron tayong 573. Niround off ko na 0.2 kilowatts. Okay? So, yan po yung ating final answer. Sige? Solve pa tayo ng isa sa wind turbine, no? So, a windmill with 6-meter radius daw, no? Radius rotor is to be installed with atmospheric pressure 101.325, 21 degrees Celsius. It would it was observed that the wind is blowing steadily at an average velocity of 20 meters per second, assuming the conversion efficiency is somewhere between 20 and 25%, determine the maximum power from the windmill. Okay, ang tinatanong ay maximum power from the windmill. Ito, may choices tayo dyan. So, next na lang natin. So, again, working equation. Ito po, yung kanina. So, ang tinatanong ay maximum power. Obviously, ang kailangan kong gamitin ay the maximum efficiency, which is obviously 25. Direct sub naman po ito, no? So, lagay lang natin. Good thing, air it is at STP. 1 atmosphere kasi is 101.325 kilopascal. So, gagamit lang tayo ng standard density ng air at SI unit, which is 1.2 po. Okay? Area again, since radius to, pi r squared. Velocity, cube, and then maximum efficiency to be 0.25. Pindutin na lang natin yan sa calcu. Okay? So, isit ko lang ito ng konti. Maximum power. Okay? So, 1/2, 0.5 na lang sa calcu para mas mabilis. 0.5 times density 1.2 times pi r squared. Then you have 20 cube. And then, the maximum efficiency is 0.25. Okay, so ang lalabas dyan ay, SD ko lang, 135,716. Again, ang unit nito, since SI, kagaya kanina, ay watts. Okay, so divide mo lang ng 1,000. So you have your final answer to be 135.7 kilowatts. Okay, so napakabilis po ng wind power plant. Sige, so hopefully nasundan natin.